Presenting the 2005 Infiniti FX35. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Power and reliability are a great combination. This vehicle has both. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, cruise control, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.